wolves, I bet I lead the pack. Yeah, I'm grinding right now, can't nothing hold me back. Every time I get mad, I rage, I go outside to swing my bat. Every time I get mad, I rage, I go outside, I pop out the cut like a bat, Put that boy in the mat, every day, hell no, I can't lay up, got me a place. Yeah, you know I got X-ray vision, big whiskey, can't stay out this nation. You can't remember like I got dementia, pop out the car. It ain't this.
Now y'all hear them pops. But what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay the Don. I'm back with another video, man. As you can see from the title and the thumbnail, bro, this might be one of the last POVs y'all get on this channel, bro, with this car. You know what I'm saying? This might be one of the very last POVs y'all get. But we was in traffic, man. We deep as shit. We got some more folks back there. But feel me, we in traffic with it. Let me go in sport. That shit popping like crazy. I think bro got a tune on that RT. Y'all see the city too. Them boys cutting up, boy.
What the fuck, nigga?
Jaden calling me. Yo.
I hope the feds ain't watching this. I'll call you back.
You hear me?
It's a business decision right here.
Damn, 12, deep as fuck.
Yeah, I know, bruh.
Going to jail.
You're going to jail.
Out in this house, said chill. They watching my page like scouts. Said chill. So when I see 12, you bro, I said chill. You know I pick dick in her around. Chill. I don't even know what to say. Bad little bitch, she all in my face. Damn, I love when she come to my place. Big Brew, know I got mine erased. I really got tired of wasting. I'm a skeleton, can't see my face. Yeah, I was young, I don't shout at the Vega. Hit with the hizzy, ain't hesitate though. Yeah, DJ turn the table. Yeah, the love be fiction favor. Yeah, we lay your grass like gators. Yeah, I'm a skateboard, no, I'm a status. Yeah, I'm
currently en route, gang. Not gonna lie. Look at that Porsche. That bitch clean as fuck. We en route though. We finna slide to a new low. You feel me? This definitely is the same day. I'm just working for y'all, man. I got a video uploaded right now. I'm probably gonna drop it tomorrow on Sunday. You feel me? But I'm just working, man. I'm putting in that overtime for y'all, bro, because I know y'all love the content. You feel me? Y'all showing appreciation to the channel, so I'm gonna keep blessing y'all with movies, bro. Give y'all something to watch, something to tune into. I'm behind my homeboy Deuce right now, my homeboy Breezy. Breezy probably got the loudest track hawk I ever heard, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That shit sound crazy. Look at that. It's a scat. Y'all hear that exhaust though? Yeah, man. Like, comment, subscribe. I ain't brought y'all a POV video in so long, bro. I really just been vlogging and doing other type videos, bro. Like, showing my lifestyle with y'all, sharing what I be doing, just picking the camera up and bringing y'all with me, bro. But if y'all want more POVs, bro, get this video to 20 likes, bro. Get this video to 20 likes and I'll bring out another POV. We might be in a different car when we bring that POV, though, man. I brought y'all a POV in a bridge mobile in a very long time, you know what I'm saying? So we finna cut up in traffic with the homies, man. That catalyst motherfucker sounds so crazy.
Ooh, wee.
That shit sounds so crazy, bro. Y'all this thing. Hit that bit, Breezy. In the vlog, y'all gonna see that cop, bro. He pulled up on us. He was trying to let us know like about noise complaints and shit like that, bro. I don't really give a fuck about none of that, man. We were just trying to work. Motherfuckers done called the cops on us and shit. Just cool though. This shit 6 minutes away. Finna bust this right. But yeah, bro, like I said though, I'm working for y'all, man. Got a vid uploaded. I ain't even, you feel me? I'm just following these niggas.
The fuck?
This shit sound crazy as fuck, bro. My shit not trying to load up. Trying to show y'all this vid I got. And I'm still sick, low key. I'm just working though. Shit, looking at the motherfucking damn car. She wanna be in that motherfucker.
He ain't lying.
You know what I'm saying? But look though, this vid right here, man. Why I bought a Dodge Charger RT over a Scat Pack Camaro GT. Where's he going?
Wait a minute.
But yeah, man, I'm working, man. Y'all tune into that video, bruh. Y'all tune into that video. I'm probably gonna drop it tomorrow since it's so late. I was supposed to drop it today, but I got sidetracked trying to work, and it's cool. You feel me? But I'm gonna bring y'all that banger tomorrow. Y'all just make sure y'all tune into that video, man. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of people probably wondering why I got that motherfucker. I don't know where the hell dude's going. What the hell this shit? Cat? Damn, what the hell they got going? Trying to see where they finna push up to. No right turn on red. I want to so bad. I'm not gonna be a Mopar owner today, guys. Normally I'm a Mopar owner and I do Mopar stuff, bro, but I'm not gonna do that because, you feel me, I'm not promoting that type of activity on this channel. You feel me? I'm not gonna promote that type of activity. Come on, give me the green light. Give me the green light. I should be a nigga, bro. I really should be a nigga. I'm not gonna be a nigga. I'm trying so hard to be a good civilian right now.
What do you mean by that?
But like my patience right now, gang. Okay, we good now. And we got a tunnel pool right here. Woo! That bitch sounded crazy.
What the fuck? Stop playing.
Y'all, I just ran out of storage, bro, so I apologize. Y'all just missed a little bit of clips. But that shit just cut off on me again, bro. I'm trying to delete some shit so I could bring y'all this POV, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to grind and work for y'all, bro. But we literally right here at this car meet, gang, like a minute away, 900 feet or 600 feet. Sorry, I can't see. But I think my homie AJ behind me, bro, kind of got split up from everybody else, but it's all good. We pushing up. Stain can. This look like a newer jump too, bro. Like a 24. But we finna pull into this motherfucker. We're supposed to turn right there, I think. Got food trucks out here. That bitch clean though. I fuck with it. I just couldn't own no Stain. I couldn't own no Stain, bro. I couldn't. But yeah, we had just pulled up, man. If you made it this far in the video, make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe. That's a 300. It's kind of deep out this bitch. Y'all couldn't find no park?
Nah, it's not really no parking.
Was there some parks near
A
y'all?
little bit, but
Yeah, I ain't gonna stay out here long neither. Y'all got, is it a car?
I parked over there, but it might be parking spots up there, but over there definitely not, bro.
Damn. I don't know, bro. I might bust this left for real. That's a
Let me
bit.
know what you do, my boy.
For sure. Damn. It's deep as shit out here, y'all. The hell they got over here? Some fins. Hey, that fin crazy. But yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all when we dip out of here. Once again, I do want to apologize for the footage that y'all didn't get to see, bro, because yeah, my phone just checked out on me, bro. I'm not gonna lie, that shit checked out on me. But yeah, man, if you made it this far in the video, like I said, bro, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Show your boys some love and support, man. No cap.
A few moments later.
All right, YouTube. This probably really gonna be the end of the POV. I'm not gonna lie. After we pulled up to that car meet, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Now I'm just on the way to the crib, bro. Is that a RT or is that a Scat? I don't know. But yeah, man, we finna fucking go to the crib. I'm gonna give y'all like one last pull. Damn, what the fuck they have going on back there? I don't know. But we finna hop on the highway, so I'm about to give y'all this one last pull before we get on out of here. Like, comment, subscribe on the video, bro. We on the road to 3K, and we really on the grind to 5K, bro. 5K really the goal, but we is almost at 3K, so I'm gonna say road to 3K until we smack 3K, and then we're gonna hit 5K, and then we're gonna say road to 10K, and we're gonna smack 10K, and then we're gonna be on the road to 20, and then we're gonna smack 20. Y'all get the gist, man. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. I appreciate all the love and support y'all showing the kids. We is gonna get on out of here, man.
Okay, bye.